If you love watching glamorous videos and would like to be notified every time you drop a new one, please bash that bell icon below.
If you're like us, you're obsessed with fashion jewelry like necklaces, bracelets, earrings. They're little shiny pieces of instant joy. I love how my jewelry makes me feel stylish, beautiful and confident, almost like that cherry on the top to complete my outfit or look. However, these delicate pieces have a certain lifespan and require proper care and maintenance to stay beautiful and pristine. So today we'll look at what you need to do to take good care of your fashion jewelry. Water is essential for human life, but terrible for your jewelry. So when you have to wash your hands, remove any jewelry you might be wearing. Wipe dry and then put them back on. Metals and water do not usually mix well and they can begin to oxidize and tarnish over time. As much as you would like to, never go to sleep with the jewelry on. It is the easiest way to damage it. So take it off and enjoy a good night's sleep, secure in the knowledge that your favorite jewelry will be waiting for you when the morning comes. Your jewelry is probably allergic to perfumes, lotions and sprays. So cover your jewelry when applying any of these items. They contain harsh chemicals which combine with your jewelry and can tarnish them. So pay attention when you're getting dressed and make sure you don't do this. Only put your jewelry on once you're fully dressed. Doing this will ensure that the jewelry doesn't get all tangled up. Remember, these are delicate items and need to be handled with care. An accidental pull of your necklace while dressing or undressing can cause the chain or string to break, leaving you with one less item in your collection. Avoid wearing jewelry while exercising or during other activities that cause sweating. Sweat discolors your jewelry, leaving a greenish hue behind on your skin, and you'll end up damaging your jewelry. So take it off before you get started. It's very important to clean your jewelry before putting it away, as sweat tends to change the color of your jewelry. So after every use, gently clean the jewelry with cotton buds and a dry cloth. And then put it in a nice clean box, ready for the next time you want to put it on. So follow these tips and you will enjoy your jewelry for years to come. I hope you found this video helpful. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.